Hello and welcome to the Night Vision Show. Tonight I'm out in the Foxes again, couple of firsts for me. I'm out with the Stellar SQ50 thermal scope from HikMicro. That's on top of my trusty Tikka T3, and I've also got the Rekon CT1 tripod sticks topped with a hog saddle. Now this thing is an impressive bit of kit, I must admit. I've had it in all positions, all angles, and well, I haven't had it, but the rifle has. And I must say it's absolutely solid, and I'm really looking forward to using it. And obviously my usual GH35 HikMicro spotter. So wish me luck, and hopefully we'll see Charlie later on and we'll get some good footage of this Stellar SQ50. Cheers.